Eva and
Nikki, and don't mind my eye. Well, you can't really see it, but it's really bad on camera. And I look like a literal zombie.
yeah, she does.
And you can see this I made for Ariana for Christmas. Yeva. Now it's. I made this for Christmas, and we thought, why not use it in this video? So it's really like.
So if we're gonna film in my house, this is probably gonna be the background. Well, not background,
but I'll try and do something in my house to film.
So and also, we have these clips, and the video that today we're gonna be making is
a squishy video, and
we
bought some squishies
of eBay. Not Amazon or eBay, was it?
It was from. Where was it from?
I don't know.
eBay. Yeah. She helped us find it, and I forgot.
So we have these clips, and we didn't have nothing to do because I was thinking like Polaroid pictures, but I actually have a Polaroid camera. Should do something.
Yeah, I might print off something that kind of looks like us. So, guys, we buy it, and let's start it. So it came in this box, and this box doesn't really look good.
It already came in this like package, but we took the package off. We couldn't take it.
And then
we didn't see what's inside it yet, so that's still.
I couldn't see anything. So you see first.
Memories. I can see a paper.
Yeah.
Happy squishing.
Happy squishing. Shall I read it?
Yeah, and I'll read the whatever you said the paper is.
So it says happy squishing. It looks like yeah. Hi to Yeva and Nikki Vince. I am a big fan, and you bought these, and it has no slime. Sorry, Yeva. So the squishies have no defects or anything. I hope you like it. You can't return these. Sorry. Sincerely, Brittany. So thank you,
Brittany,
if you're watching this video and you gave this. Well, we bought it for you.
And well, she kind of offered us to buy it.
Yeah, so
why not? Okay.
There's something else in there. I hope there's a checklist.
So I probably think it is. Yeah, it's a checklist. So it says. Okay, so these are the things that we bought from her. The bread was £5.99. The dog bag was $5.99. Kawaii bun was $4.99. Kawaii loaf was $4.99. The mama mushroom was $4.99. The Hello Kitty donut was $3.50. And the Doni donut was $5.99. So lots of them are $5.99
total. She didn't put the total.
No. Oh, she put. Sorry, yeah, but you know that's slime.
Sorry, yeah. Okay, so I think this. I can't wait to take out.
Okay. So it's in the bag. I mean, that's okay.
Yeah.
Wait, give me the checklist so I know what the things are.
Alright.
Okay, first thing is the bread.
So this is the bread, I think.
$5.99, and it is disgusting.
Disgusting. £6.
Disgusting. 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 Look at it.
So this squishy has no defects or anything bad.
So, okay. Can you see the eye thing? Can you see the mouth?
And can you? It looks like lipstick or something.
Yeah. Like, Brittany, can you do, like,
can you actually resend this to you?
Because, I mean, I can still keep it, but
it is squishy.
But the only thing that I hate about it is that it has like rips places. Oh. We'll just hang that on there, I guess. But so far not good. Next thing that is supposed to be is the dog bag.
I think this is the dog bag. It looks like
dog.
A dog, and it looks like a bag, kind of. I think that's why she called it dog bag. Oh my god! No! Wait.
No, Brittany, no!
It's not even squishy at all.
Let me feel it. I mean, you can still like squish it, but look at the sides. it's got squishy, and it even has like a lot of defects. Like, see this rip, see these rips, see that rip.
That's the biggest rip.
Yeah. Yep. I love the rips inside. But still, no thank you.
What else is there on the
The kawaii bun. I wonder what that one is, because
I think it's this one. Because we did get this and it was kawaii bun. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So this one I think is so far the best. Let me have a look. You can't really see this defects, but it's not really defects.
Yeah,
It's just like normal, I think.
Because I have bought like squishies from other things, and we did have like some sort of things. But that is pretty squishy. So that
I think this one's the so far best one.
so far. Yeah. Oh look, and all of them are like orange. They have orange on.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Next thing is the kawaii loafer.
I think this is a quiet life. Oh no, I can see it. So there's a
Can you
kawaii
even
loaf.
see the back? Oh my gosh. Like what the hell is that?
I think that's ripped off.
sunburn. No, actually the whole body's
It's
burned.
ripped off.
They had pants on, and then they didn't take the pants off to do some.
Oh no, and there's like, you can't really see it, but there's like defects here, and I think here ripped.
And we got the head as well.
Yeah.
It is kind of squishy, but
I don't like it.
mm-mm.
Not at all. It's like, it's not really nice.
Mm-mm. Okay. This one is like literally a little bit squishy, I think. The next thing is the mama mushroom. I'll just
I
call
said
it
a
mushroom.
mushroom, so I think it's a mammal mushroom. No. Look,
Look how dirty it is as well.
it's
Just to
super
point out.
dirty.
And where's the freaking eye?
Yeah, look.
Everything's freaking dirty. Why am I even saying freaking?
And it's got like, can't really-
That's it.
so good.
Like on the little like photos.
It looks so cool.
But you know when you like see the photos to see what you're buying and everything, the actual thing was white, and if you don't see, it's like all yellow. All, like a really light yellow. And I think she's been touching that.
Yeah.
The eye's gone. I mean,
Yeah.
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 Okay, so the next, we've got two more things. This thing was $3.50, which is the Hello Kitty donut.
I think this is a donut because it's the only donut. It's got this bar thing.
So it's this.
Oh no.
What? Oh no! Oh, look at them there as well.
I know, and here it looks like birds or something. There's some more here. And it's not even squishy, look. I
Right.
thought the bite's gonna be not even yellow, I thought it's gonna be white. No, I mean chocolate. Because it did show chocolate, didn't it? Squish it.
What the hell? Okay. Can you see this? Like, it's not even squish it all or like press it to the wall. Ain't even coming like so right there.
Oh no,
So-
I hate that one.
Okay, so the last one is the Donny Donut, which was for £6, basically.
I don't want to see this.
Okay,
Glaze off. These are coming off.
it's kind of dirty.
Yes, I don't like it because there's like sticking out parts. And then it is really squishy.
I think.
I think.
Ugh,
Yeah.
is it? Oh my god, yes!
I thought it was squishy because it looks squishy.
Oh my god, I love this. Look.
So yeah.
Okay, I love how this one squishes. This is probably my favorite squishy one. Like the squish, like you can press it against the wall as I was saying, the Hello Kitty one.
Yeah.
And it will still come back. So this is really nice for squishing, but the look of it ain't really. Okay, so my favorite squishy out of all of them is probably this one.
Yeah,
Because it doesn't have any defects or anything.
I
But
like squishy, but the squishiest one is this one.
and it's my favorite, the squishing. But yeah, guys, so thank you for watching.
My third one is just this one.
The third one is this one. No, my second one is this. 1, 2. Probably.
1, 2, 3.
I don't know.
So I hope you like this video.
Please subscribe, like, and comment. And comment down below in the comments which one do you think would you buy?
And my sister's literally watching me like. And please leave down some dares for us to do. We're nearly hitting 200. We can't wait until we start cracking eggs on our heads.
3 eggs on our heads. And actually,
And more.
as I've done this before when I had like 50 subs or something.
Yeah. And it's going to be summer. I hope we might be able to do that outside.
When it's summer.
Okay. Then please subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.
I'm sorry, Brittany. We don't really like the squishies. Don't say them
Bye.
again. Bye.